Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt Magazine, and I'm excited to be out at the Annapolis Sailboat Show right here in beautiful Annapolis Harbor. I'm having a blast. It's one of the best boat shows on the entire planet. While I'm here, I'm wandering around and I'm looking for some new and exciting, innovative marine products for you guys. And if I found something everybody's going to love, I'm here with Justine with Temo.
Hello guys.
How are you, Justine?
Good. Very
It's so nice to meet
you.
you. I fell in love with this product as soon as I saw it. I saw an immediate application for it. Tell us about Temo.
Yeah, thank you guys. So we are a French company, obviously, with the accent. And we started 3 years ago. We put this product on the market. So the idea, it's an electric motor for dinghy tender, like small boat. The idea was to put something very light, very easy to carry around. So this electric motor is weighs only 11 pounds, which is very, very light, but still very pushy. So you have everything in the product, very compact. The battery is in the gray tube. You can adjust the length to make it very comfortable. And the idea is to put that at the back of your boat and to maneuver. You know, a bit like the long tail in Asia. So that's the electric. So it only takes 3 hours to recharge, and then you have average 1 hour range, which is plenty enough time to go between the shore, your boat, and to really get used in the mooring and use that easily. So I will take that. So it's delivered with the security device. You plug it, so right or left. Then you have the level here to know how much battery you use already. And then it's super easy. You just need to squeeze the trigger. It's progressive, and then you go. So you can go back, or you also can go reverse.
Oh, very cool.
So super easy. You don't need so much to explain, and then everyone can use that. And with the length and everything, you can adjust and be able to put that on every little dinghy, little tender. So it's for 2 to 3 people,
I absolutely love this idea. A couple of quick questions come to mind. How do I attach it to my vessel?
Yeah, that's a good question. So thank you. So the Temo comes with a mounting, a roller fitting mounting. So with this plastic part. So the best would be to screw this part to the transom of the boat. But if you don't want to screw it, it comes also with an optional clamp.
Oh, nice.
Then you can take it, remove it, and then make it very easy. So I will show you on the boat later. But so you put that, and then you secure. Very easy.
Oh, okay, very good.
And then you have no push in the arm, but the boat takes the power, and it's super light, super easy to steer.
Well, since it's so light and compact, I'm wondering how much vim and vigor it has. So how many horsepower would you say something like this has?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we used to say that everything you can do with outboard goes to 2 horsepower. You can go that with Temo. It's not meant to be fast. The average speed will be 3 knots, but it's meant to be very stable, very pushy, so that brings you to wherever you can. Well, anyway, in the mooring, the speed is limited to 3 knots. So
we don't necessarily need to get people up on water skis.
That's not the use, but just to be very easy on the daily.
Right. I absolutely love it. So if I can't make it down to the boat show, Justine, where am I going to go online to find out more information about Temo and where I can potentially purchase one of these?
Yeah, so we have an official website, which is temofrance.com, but we have an official dealer in the US now, which is defender.com. So they get the product, and you have a super special price, introductory price. So if you go to connect to defender.com, you will get the product very easily.
Outstanding. And this all comes in its own handy bag there as well, so I can carry it around with me and I don't have to worry about somebody walking off with my Temo.
Well, we offer some accessories as the transport bag, the buoyancy kit, because Temo is completely watertight, but it won't float. So if you want to secure the outboard, you can buy the buoyancy kit, which is a security. Then it comes with the clamp as accessory if you want, the 12-volt charger if you need to recharge on your boat, cruising boat, and this kind of of easy and simple, nice accessories.
I love it. So TemoFrance.com.
TemoFrance.com.
Or if I go to Defender.com, I can buy it here in the U.S.
Yeah, you can buy it in the US, absolutely.
Thank you
Eric,
so much.
was a
I
pleasure.
really appreciate it.
Bye, guys.
You're going to love it. TemoFrance.com or go to Defender.com. Find out more information on picking up the next outboard for your dinghy. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.